Looking for a reliable reminder app on Android? Here is the thing nobody mentions first. The reminder app is almost never the problem. The problem is that every Android phone, especially Samsung, OnePlus, and Xiaomi, kills background apps aggressively to save battery, which means even the best reminder app stops firing notifications after a few days. So the question is not which app to use, the question is which app to pick and how to keep your phone from killing it. Here are three best picks, plus the one setting that fixes the real issue. The three reminder apps from the community endorsed on the subreddit of Android apps. One is TickTick, free with a paid tier, multi-device sync, recurring reminders, location-based, the most flexible. Most recommended in the thread. Number two is Google Tasks. Built-in free syncs across every Google product, dead simple. The best if you want one-tap voice reminders via Gemini. 3. Samsung Reminder. If you own a Samsung, built into the OS, the deepest hardware integration, no extra app needed, multiple users on the thread confirmed. Samsung's native reminder is genuinely better than third-party apps from Samsung owners. Now, here is the fix that makes any of those apps actually work. The exact settings path is on the screen now, and it is also in the description below. Pause the video if you need to grab it. The two changes that matter. One, in the app's battery settings, set it to unrestricted, not optimized, not restricted, unrestricted. 2, find the option called remove permissions if app is unused and turn it off. Without those two changes, Android will kill your reminder app in the background and the notification will never fire. Do it once per app. It actually works. Now, two quick edge cases. One, medication reminders. Use Med Timer specifically. It's an open source on F-Droid designed for repeat medication schedules with login, better than a general reminder for this. 2, if you want your phone to actually call you like a phone call instead of just notifying, search the Play Store for Remind Me by Chaska. One user in the thread recommended it specifically because notifications are too easy to ignore, but a ringing call is not. Set your reminder, whitelist the app, done.